students, in previous class we have seen World War II. When was started the Second World War? The Second World War was started in the year 1939. End of the Second World War 1945. Then we discussed what were the causes for the Second World War. Germany and the Treaty of Versailles 1919. When was signed the Treaty of Versailles? End of the First World War, Treaty of Versailles signed with Germany in the year 1919. According to the Treaty of Versailles, Germany had to give the war indemnity or war loss, and also Germany army reduced. This is one of the causes for the Second World War. Then next one is failure of League of Nations. Why was League of Nations founded? The League of Nations was founded after the First World War to prevent wars in futures and to maintain international peace and security. But League of Nations failed in its prime duty of preventing the race for ornaments and preserving the peace. Then next we discussed post-war crisis and Germany. So dictatorship formed in Germany, Italy and Spain. Germany, Hitler formed the Nazism. Italy, Mussolini formed the fascism. Germany, Spain, Franco. Then we discussed rise of Adolf Hitler. How was Hitler captured Germany? Hitler captured Germany in the year 1934. How Hitler captured? After the death of Hindenburg, the president of Germany. After the death of Hindenburg, Hitler, he made himself declared as the president and chancellor of Germany in the year 1934. Then we discussed allies and non-intervention policy, Munich Pact. Munich Pact was signed. Neville Chamberlain, the Prime Minister of Great Britain, and Hitler at Munich in 1938. By the Munich Pact, Germany was allowed to annex the Sudetenland, but not to conquer any more territories. But in the year 1939, Hitler violated the Munich Agreement by annexing the whole of Czechoslovakia. This is Munich Agreement. This is also one of the causes for the Second World War. Then we discussed course of the World War II. Nature of the war. World War II was fought on two distinct fronts, Europe and the Asia Pacific. It is Allies and Axis power. Two groups in the Second World War, Allies power and Axis power. Who were called the Allies? The countries which were on the side of Britain is called as the Allies. And Axis means the country which were on the side of Germany is called as the Axis power. Then outbreak of the Second World War. How was started Second World War? Britain and France declared war on Germany in the year 1939. Then we discussed important events, Trunk Creek, Battle of Britain, Lend-Lease Program 1941 to 1945, Invasion of Russia 1941 to 1942. Today I will continue the course of World War II. Next we are going to see Battle of Stalingrad, which was fought 17th July 1942 to 2nd February 1943. In August 1942, Germany attacked the Stalingrad. Why German attacked the Stalingrad? So Stalingrad, it is a large industrial city. Stalingrad was the large industrial city producing ornaments and tractors. If they capture the Stalingrad, the city would cut Soviet transport, link with the southern Russia, and the Stalingrad would cut them, enable the invading Germans to have access to the oil field of the Caucasus. In addition to that, they seizing the city that bore the name of Soviet leader Stalin to serve as a great personal and propaganda victory for the Hitler. So those people felt that if they captured Stalingrad, it means that they capturing the leader because it's bore the name of the leader of Russia, Stalin. So in this propaganda, they planned to attack the Stalingrad. German was planner hope to the achieve that end with fall blue or operation. It is also known as Operation Blue. On June 28, 1942, operations began with the significance of German victories. So, end of the war, German called victories. What happened in Russia? Russian people suffered not only from bad working and living condition, but also from ill-treated by the Germans. And also there were about 15 million civilians death. Civilians means common people death during this war, during the Stalingrad, during the Battle of Stalingrad. And about 10 million members of the armed forces were killed. Altogether, over 1/10 of the Russian population died. Yet the people, they remained loyal to the government despite the Hitler's hopes of an anti-Stalin revolution. They successfully defined the city of Stalingrad. It stopped the German advance into the Soviet Union and marked the turning of the tide of war in favor of the Allies. Russia considered it to be one of the greatest battle of their great patriotic war. The next we are going to see Battle of El Alamein in the year 1942. El Alamein, one of the place. Germans, already I said, German got initial success only. End of the Second World War, Allied got victories. So in early years of the war, German General Rommel were remarkable success in occupying the North Africa. Rapidly leaving the Britain with only Egypt. The Allied forces. The Allied forces, Allies means the countries which are on the side of Britain is called as the Allied. The Allied forces under the General Montgomery attacked and defeated the Germans. So Montgomery defeated the Germans and Italians at the place El Alamein in North Africa. The German army was chased across the desert out of North Africa. This provided the base for the Allied forces to invade Italy. The next we are going to see surrender of Italy 1943. Mussolini had been thrown out and the new government of Italy surrendered to the Allies in 1943. Why Mussolini thrown out? Because Italy lost its territories in Africa. Mussolini failed to cope up with the financial burden of the war. The Allied forces heavily bombarded Sicily and landed in the island in 1943. Mussolini was shot dead by his own countrymen. Because of Italian people not to satisfy the ruler of Mussolini. However, the Germans set Mussolini up to the puppet regime in North. Mussolini was killed in April 1945 by Italians, partitions by his own countrymen. Next, we are going to see of Italy in 1943 is the important thing. Is making the Axis power on the loser side, whereas makes the Allied powers on the victorious side. Then next one is end of Hitler. The Allied forces under the command of General Eisenhower invaded Normandy in France. So Normandy is a place in the France. He invaded. Slowly the German army was forced to back. But the German fought back and the war continued for nearly another year and finally ended in the May 1945. Hitler committed suicide in April 1945. Why Hitler committed suicide? So actually Hitler, in 1940 when Hitler invaded Russia, so he breaking the non-aggression pact with Stalin. This invasion failed to achieve quick term that Hitler wanted. In 1945 the Allied forces entered Berlin, Hitler having lost all hopes of success, so he himself committed so in his own bunker. After the death of Hitler, the Second World War came to an end and the Nazist party was also fizzled away. From 1944, the Russian army began to attack Germany from the east and captured much of the Eastern Europe and Poland. In 1945, they occupied the part of Berlin, so that Germany was divided into two parts. Two parts mean East Germany and the West Germany. Then, war in the Asia Pacific region. The Japanese army invaded Manchuria in 1941. So Manchuria is a place in China. So China appealed for help to League of Nations. First World War, end of the First World War, what was started? The League of Nations. Why was started? To prevent war. So though China appealed to the League of Nations, this act of aggression, but League did not attract the attention of United States or Britain. In 1937, Japan invaded China and captured the capital of Beijing. Beijing is also known as the Peking. So Beijing, other name for Peking, which had traditionally been the capital of China. Then Japan also captured Shanghai. Shanghai also captured Japan, and Nanking, the capital, captured at the end of the year. Nanking is also known as the Nanjing. The Japanese army indulged in the biggest slaughter ever known in the history of Nanking. Civilians were killed, women were tortured and killed. In this war, civilians killed, then women also tortured and killed. Canton and many other parts of the Chinese were overrun. The Chinese army under Chiang Kai-shek retreated. He was retreated to the west, to the hilly countries, from where they continued to fight the Japanese. Next, Pearl Harbor, 1941. America entered into the Second World War. Why was America entered into the Second World War? The Japanese had attacked. Japanese attacked the American fleet station at Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941. This disaster attack forced the Americans to enter into the war. The very next day, the USA declared war on Japan. So on December 1941, Japan attacked American naval installation in Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, without any warning. The idea was cripple the American Pacific Fleet so that Japan could not face any opposition in its offense against the Southeast Asian countries. Many battleships and numerous fighters planes were destroyed. So the United States declared war on Japan, with Britain and China was also joining. This brought together both the Asia Pacific and the European war into one common cause. Most important, it's brought the United States with its enormous resources. So America was trained army, then military resources. Okay, so in that war, resources into the war as a part of the allies. Then Japanese aggression in Southeast Asia. The Japanese had spectacular success in their plan to extend their empire throughout Southeast Asia. They captured Guam, the Philippines, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaya, that touch East Indies. Touch East Indies means Indonesia and Burma. All fell to the Japanese. In Japanese aggression, so Japanese captured almost all the places, the Philippines, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaya, the Tash and Burma. So now we are going to see Battle of Midway and the Battle of Guadalcanal 1942. The US Navy defeated the Japanese Navy in the Battle of Midway, which turned the tide in favor of the Allies. The Battle of Guadalcanal in the Solomon. So this battle was held in the Solomon Island, was a combined offensive involving the army and the navy. So this war lasted for several months. Both were crushing, defeated for the Japanese. After this Battle of Midway or Battle of Guadalcanal, American forces were able to retake or recapture the Philippines. Gradually, the Japanese were thrown out most of their conquered territories. In 1944, the combined British and the Indian armies were able to push back the Japanese, who attempted to invade the northeast of India. Then, along with the Chinese, they pushed the Japanese out of Burma and liberated Malaya, Singapore. Then next, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Hiroshima and Nagasaki, August 1945. As a top secret project using the scientific advances, the US developed a atomic bomb immensely more powerful than the conventional explosive. The Japanese general, he was refused to surrender the territories. So America finally dropped an atomic bomb on Hiroshima, as the Japanese still refused to surrender. So another atom bomb was dropped on Nagasaki. So America dropped the atom bombs on the cities of Hiroshima on August 6 and Nagasaki on August 9, 1945, which caused a great destruction. As a result, Japan surrendered unconditionally. Thus, the Second World War came to an end. So, Japan ultimately announced surrender on 15th August 1945 and formally signed 2nd September 1945, bringing an end to the World War II. These are the cause of the Second World War. Now we are going to see effect of the war. What are the effect of the war? New geopolitical power alignment. So after the Second World War, world was changed into two fundamental ways. So the world was divided into two main blocks led by the superpower. One led by United States with pronounced with anti-colonist ideologies and other by Soviet Russia. So Europe was divided into how many blocks? Europe was divided into two blocks. One is communist and another one is non-communist bloc. So completely changed the Europe into divided into two superpowers. One is United States, then other one is Soviet Russia. Then next one is nuclear proliferations. The United States and the Soviet Union entered to a race to have more nuclear power weapons. So they are manufacturing the more atomic bombs manufacturing. So they have built weapons, defense spending skyrocketed in many countries. Then started the international agencies. Many international agencies, particularly end of the Second World War, what was started? The United Nations was started. The United Nations, the World Bank, and the International Monetary Fund came into existence, providing a forum for a country's large and small scale. So first, India got first independence in the Second World War. India was the first to achieve the independence. Colonial power were forced to give up independence to the former colonies in a process of decolonization. What we learned today, class? Today we learned Battle of Stalingrad, 17th July 1942 to 2nd February 1943. End of this Battle of Stalingrad war, Germany got victorious. Then we discussed the Battle of El Alamein 1942. The Allied forces under General Montgomery. Montgomery attacked Germany and Italy. Montgomery defeated the Germany and Italian forces at El Alamein. El Alamein is in the place in North Africa. Then we discussed the surrender of Italy 1943. Mussolini had been thrown out and the new government of Italy surrendered because of Italian people not satisfied the rule of Germany. Mussolini was killed by his own countrymen in the year 1945. Then we discussed end of Hitler. How was Hitler died? Hitler he himself committed suicide because of the reason Hitler having lost all hopes of success, so he had committed suicide in his bunker. After the death of Hitler, the Second World War came to an end and the Nazist party was also fizzled away. Then we discussed war in the Asia Pacific region, Japanese attack. Japanese army invaded Manchuria in the year 1931. Though China appealed to League of Nations, this act of aggression did not attract the attention of United States or Britain. In 1937, Japan invaded China and captured Beijing. Beijing is also known as Peking, and also Nanking also captured. Then we discussed Pearl Harbor incidents. America entered into the Second World War. Japan attacked America in the year 1941 in Pearl Harbor, Hawaii. So America entered into the Second World War. Japanese aggression in the Southeast Asia, then Battle of Midway and the Battle of Guadalcanal 1942. Then Hiroshima and Nagasaki, August 1945. US dropped atom bomb in Hiroshima, August 6, 1945. Nagasaki, August 9, 1945. Next class, we will discuss effect of the war. Then Holocaust and its followers. You know already meaning the Holocaust. Holocaust means mass killing of people. Universal Declaration of Human Rights, birth of Israel, new international order, end of the Second World War, what was started, United Nations organization was started, then general organs, what are the organs of United Nations organization, General Assembly and Security Council, administrative structure, other important organs of UNO, what are the activities of UNO, World Bank, then post-war welfare states in Europe. Please note down the assignment, students. 2 marks. How did Hitler get support from the people of Germany? Then 2 marks. Describe the Pearl Harbor incident. Thank you, students.